Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to install a 69 to 72 Blazer gas tank in this short wheelbase truck. Um, this is what you get. It's not a whole lot for $268 from a company called Classic Muscle. The sending unit looks like it comes with 2 O-rings, the sending unit, and 2 bolts, which evidently go with the straps. Here's the box it came in. It says made in Taiwan. Looks like on the fuel tank it's made in Taiwan. Looks like it's made in April this year, which this is now the 1st of August. So April, May, June, July, August. About 4 months ago the fuel tank was made. It does look like it's pretty good quality as far as the metal goes. Really small, super small. Fuel neck, I would be the guess to say about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Really would like to see them start putting these in the back of the tank here, so that you could have a spout coming out here, maybe going out to a license plate. At 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches, that seems pretty small in my standards. I think if factory one was bigger than that, but we'll see. Like I said, the box tells you it's made in Taiwan. Down inside of it, the only extra thing you get is the straps, and I really don't think that you're going to need these straps. I'll tell you why here in a minute. Things with my name on it, and tells you what you got. It says sending unit inside, and the invoice. It was packaged up pretty good. Lightning fast shipping. I think I had it in a day or two. These guys is they are Classic Muscle, Winston-Salem, South Carolina. So I'm in West Virginia, and like I said, it made it here in about a day, which really impressed me. So we're going to grease up this little rubber O-ring that you see right here. I don't think we're going to need both of them. We're going to try to put this one on the bottom first, put a little bit of lubricant around it, silicone grease or something, and we're going to get it stuck in that hole right there and tighten that down, that ring on the sending unit, and then we'll be back. Alrighty, we're back to the Blazer gas tank install, and we got it finished. This gas cap and fuel neck actually come from Eckler's, so it's about $105. Reason why we decided to use this is once you unscrew it, it's got a chain that doesn't let you lose your gas cap there, so, and it's got a rubber gasket in it. For $105 it wasn't bad, but the only problem with this whole setup is that we had to cut 1 inch off of that. It's about 2 inches long. We had to cut 1 inch off of that. We had to cut 1 inch off of our tank, which you'll see down here. We had to cut about 1 inch off of the fuel neck on the tank. The tank sits really low because you can see the rear differential there. The truck has got 4-inch lowering springs. It is not C-notched, and it does have a traction bar on the back, or a sway bar. It's also got one on the front, but you can see I was amazed that the bolt holes actually lined up with the ones in the frame. We didn't have to do no drilling or anything, and we didn't use the straps because I think those bolts and washers right there will hold it. It's got a like a 1/4 inch angle there, so that'll hold it. So but there's a Blazer gas tank install, so we really appreciate you tuning in and watching this. So hope this helped you. the ascending unit. The gas line comes down on the passenger side, so that's the way it's set up. And we still got the ascending unit wire right there for the signal. We still got to hook it up, but we got our ground strap run, so that's the main thing. That there will be easy to hook up. Thank y'all for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe, and we'll be doing a few more of these how-to videos. So thank y'all, and y'all have a good day.